An AI chip stack is a set of hardware and software components that provide the performance and efficiency needed for artificial intelligence applications. The stack typically includes a CPU, GPU, memory, and software libraries. The CPU is responsible for general-purpose computing tasks. At the same time, the GPU is for parallel processing, which is essential for AI applications that require large amounts of data to be processed quickly. Memory stores data and instructions, and the software libraries provide the tools to develop and deploy AI applications. AI chip stacks enable specific needs of AI applications. Some stacks are for machine learning, while others are for natural language processing. The choice of the stack depends on the application and the desired performance and efficiency. As AI applications become more prevalent, the significance of AI chip stacks is growing. The usage of AI in various fields like healthcare, self-driving cars, and financial services is expanding, which will lead to a surge in demand for AI chip stacks. AI chip stacks provide many advantages compared to traditional computing systems for AI tasks. Nonetheless, certain obstacles come with using AI chip stacks. As the demand for AI chip stacks increases and technology advances, these challenges will get resolved.